Oh, got one! Got one! Woo! Oh, it's a nice one. Hey, Bill with Fishing with Odad, and man, we're back out at the place I first caught my first Tennessee trout. So we're going to try again. Beautiful, beautiful day out here in God's creation. It's just gorgeous up here. One goal we have while we're here along the creek, either today or tomorrow, we are going to try and catch my first ever trout on a fly rod. Somebody stopped and said hi. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do. Yeah, so why don't we just quit yakking, get cracking, get to fishing. And thanks for all my new subscribers, man. It's been going great. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you. All right, guys, we're going to start off with the little trout magnet here, yellow trout magnet. Yeah, this is where I caught my first trout, man. It was so nice. It was so cool. Oh, nothing yet, nothing yet. All right, I think it's time to move. All right, guys, we're at spot number 2, and I have not been to, oh, I'm sorry. Saw your truck and didn't see you. I was looking to see if there's anybody here, and
I was standing up here.
oh, okay. You were hidden. Are you leaving?
I'm leaving.
Okay.
2 or 3 I left over early this morning, but I know there's some more in there.
Okay.
So,
Well, I'm going to give it a shot.
and I'll tell you where else I found something.
What's that?
That way down there at that big bridge.
Okay.
It's got the big hole in it.
Yes.
Right there.
Okay.
I fished below that and I never got a hit anywhere.
Wow. All right.
Does that tell you anything? Something's there and up here somewhere.
All right.
Well, good luck to
Okay.
you.
Yes. Be safe. Thank you. All right, guys. We're at spot number 2 here. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite. Okay. This is what we switched to now. It's just a single hook spinner fly here. Oh no, there's multiple hooks. It's a single hook on the fly with a small treble hook trailer. Yeah. Can't win. If I use mono, I get tangles. If I use braid, I get tangles. No matter what I use, I get tangles. All right, let's try again. Alright guys, we're back where we caught the smallmouth and had a bunch of other bites last week. So we're gonna try our minnow, and then we'll do some power baits. I got the worms. So let's see what happens. That figures. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Oh, not again. It had virtually no weight. None. Oh, I don't know what to do. Boy, if I catch a fish today, it'll be a miracle. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I'm leaving. Oh, I got everything but the hook. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm going down. I'm going somewhere else. Can't take this no more. Alright guys, we're back where we caught those rock bass. That other place, man, all I did was get snags. I lost 4 setups there, and I think I had 1 bite on that last snag. So let's see what happens. Oh, got one, got one. Oh, I lost it. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, oh. Ah, I had one. Oh. I had a bite, guys. Got another one. Ah, man. Hey, good morning everyone. Bill with Fishing with Dad, and yeah, this is day 2, and I'm out with Gary over there. Yeah, there he is. And we haven't fished together in months and months and months. I really miss it. So we're out here together on day 2 of the trout fishing adventure. I don't know if I'm going to use a fly rod today or not. I don't know. I really don't. Anyway, so yeah, we're trying a new bait, and that's mealworms. Gary said they're killer for trout. So I've never used them for trout. I've used them for everything else, but we're going to give it a shot. So yeah, let's quit yakking, get cracking, and get the fishing. It's been...
I was thinking, if you pick, if you wanted that one, then I'd take this one and that one up there, and just go up that way and hit it.
Okay.
And then that one needs to be hit right there. But I thought we could probably fish that one together. Right there.
Yeah, very possible. Yes, yes.
It's kind of
yes.
side by side.
So you want me on this side?
If you want this side or that side, whichever one you
okay,
want.
I'll go this side.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna leave the red ones here. I'm gonna take the little back.
Okay. All right, guys, we're back at the pool where I caught my first Tennessee trout. Oh, I had a little fish. Oh, got one, got one. Oh, I missed it. Oh, we missed it, guys. I had a fish. Ah. Gary is on.
Rainbow.
All right, Gary's got his first rainbow of the day. I almost said where we were at, but I didn't want to. I think that's what was on my line, that second fish. All right, Gary.
It's been a while since I had a rainbow on.
Oh, it looks like he swallowed it. I got some
Calm down, I'm gonna let you loose. Calm down, I'm not gonna hurt you. There you go, little guy. They'll get there.
oh, they're beautiful.
Okay.
Hi, Viola. Thanks for being on the shoot.
Is he run off now?
Yeah, I think so. I don't see him. Oh, got one. Got one. We're on, guys. We're on. Yeah. Yes. Yes. We're on. We're on. We're on. We're on. Yeah. Yeah, all right, my second Tennessee trout. Yeah. Boy, they're squirmy. All right, we're loose. There he is. Ain't he beautiful? Nice, nice. Thank you, Lord. There you go, little friend. Thanks for being on the shoe. That's smaller. That's bigger than the one that I had before. The one I had before was about the size you had.
Probably fished a lot, but a lot of people are scared. I saw some line right there.
Did you? I kind of wondered if it would be. All right, Gary, this guy over here is going to attempt that.
You're right, I can't
with redworms. I'm kind of leery about getting out on the edge. Probably more for getting hung up than anything. Just unbelievable the amount of water coming down here. Okay, here he goes. If he catches a fish, I may try it. If he gets hung up, we're leaving. Now you be careful out there. I don't know if this is a good idea, filming your death.
Oh, well, you can definitely say it once commit suicide. Well, I'll be screaming the whole way down.
Oh, you got it. Got one?
Yeah.
Oh, Gary's got one. I don't believe it. Way down there. Way down there. Oh! Is he gonna get it up? Can you get it?
That's a drag, Mike.
Here it comes. There it is. Oh, wow.
You swallow it again, baby?
Yeah. Yep. Here.
You got them close?
That was a decent sized one.
It wasn't bad at all. I felt him. I knew he'd hit right as soon as I got it in there good. There's a big trout in that boat.
Oh, got one. Got one. Woo! Oh, it's a nice one. Whoa. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. I don't know how to get it. Woo! Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh, he's a beaut. Okay, there he is, guys. Woo! Well, guys, we're definitely having a better day than yesterday. I haven't lost any rigs, and till maybe now. Nope, got it. And I've caught 2 trout. And I had 2 other fish on. I lost a trout, and I don't know what the other thing was. Man, it is gorgeous up here. Look at this place. Got one! All right, guys, got another one. Oh, I don't know what it is. A creek chub. I got a creek chub, guys. Cute little fellow. Yeah. Cute little fellow here. Got another one. Another little creek chub, guys. Look at the colors on this. Look at the orange. Oh, isn't he beautiful? You want to go to another spot? Okay, I'm ready.
But I wasn't sure exactly which one. You're going to have one of those other trout hit it if you don't move him on up here. I'm just...
Oh, I see it. I see one now.
Yeah, there's 3 or 4 at least in there. But if you don't move up here, they might spook
Oh, I
him.
see it. I see him. Boy, what a difference with these glasses on.
Oh, yeah. But I'd move it up here and try to catch him first. Because if you get that whole spooked, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yes.
All right, now you should be right now. Let's just let it down. See if he goes for it.
Was that thunder I heard?
Raise it up just a little bit. Oh, he's looking. He's looking. He might go for it.
Oh, that would be a hoot. Is that thunder?
Oh, it is.
Ah, it was snagged down there.
He is.
What do you have on, a worm?
A worm. I know.
I'm really surprised nothing's hit it yet.
Yeah, I know. They're looking at it, so they may have looked at too many of them. If they've looked at too many, they won't go after it. Hey, you're not
Oh! Something's gone after mine. Oh, I got something. Bet another creek chub. Yeah, another creek chub, guys. Well, that's 5 fish. Ain't he cute?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got another one, guys. Alright, guys. We're at it again. Got frustrated back there seeing all those fish and not able to catch one of them. Alright, guys, we're going to call it. Man, we had a ball. I caught 2 trout. Gary caught 2 trout. And I caught 3 creek chub. Yeah, so a 5 fish day. I'm happy. Yeah, and that one trout was pretty good size, and man, it was a blast trying to get it out of that hole. Jumping, woo! It was cool. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And you know what, guys? As always, we'll see you next time out here on the water. Be safe. Have fun. Go fishing. Enjoy what God's given us. Yeah. In Procure fish scent. People swear by this Procure. I've used some fish scents before and I'm not 100% sold. I don't know. I don't know if it was just because I had a good day fishing or you know how that is. Oh, that's a good cast.